Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon to all. In previous period, we studied that is structure of cell membrane, and now the next part is of that is nucleus. Nucleus. On the basis of nucleus, the cells are of two types. That is prokaryotic cells and another is of eukaryotic cells. Prokaryotic word derived from pro means primitive. Carry on means nucleus. Primitive nucleus means nucleus is not well differentiated, or well differentiated nucleus is absent, or primitive nucleus is present. That is called prokaryotic organism. At the place of nucleus, here nucleus is called nucleoid. Nucleoid because here well differentiated, well membrane bounded nucleus is not present. If we see characteristic features of the nucleus or prokaryotic nucleus well differentiated nucleus absent, or membrane bounded nucleus absent, membrane bounded nucleus absent, nucleus called nucleoid, maximum cell organelles absent, or we can say membrane bounded cell organelles absent, membrane bounded cell organelles absent, membrane bounded cell organelles absent, nucleus called nucleoid, and nucleus is not controlled by the, not covered by the membranes. 70S ribosome present, type of ribosome present, nuclear chromosome 1 equal to 1 is always with 1. That cilia and flagella is absent. If cilia or flagella is present there, 9+2 arrangement is absent. Cell wall peptidoglycan if we draw the diagram of prokaryotic cells, maybe cilia or flagella there, and membrane bounded maximum cell organelles absent, and that is single one chromosome present, which is called nucleoid, and other gas vacuoles and other things present. This is the simpler structures. At some places, cell membrane is in fold inwards that form mesosomes, and mesosomes like the mitochondria, but true mitochondria is absent, and this mesosome function as a mitochondria. This is prokaryotic cell. This is the mesosome, flagella, nucleoid, gas vacuoles may be there. S ribosome present. This is simplest structure present in the prokaryotic cells. This is simplest structure present in the chromosomes, prokaryotic cells, and normally size is small. small sized, which is not seen by the naked eye. If we see the example, that is mycoplasma, bacteria, and blue-green algae. These are the examples of prokaryotic cells. Again, we discuss the characteristics. Maximum, or we can say membrane-bounded nucleus absent. Nucleus now called nucleoid. Nucleus is not nucleus of the prokaryotic cell is known as nucleoid. Membrane-bounded cell organelles absent, just like chloroplast, mitochondria, peroxisome, lysosome. These are absent in the prokaryotic cells. 70s type of ribosome is there. Ribosome is there, but which is 70s type of ribosome is there. Chromosome is equivalent to what? एक ही chromosome होता है, एक से ज़्यादा नहीं होता. Cell wall is made up from peptidoglycan. Cell wall का जो formation होता है वो होती है वो peptidoglycan substance की होती है. Small size, ये prokaryotic cells normally small in size में होती है. इसके example देखें, mycoplasma, bacteria, blue-green algae. These are the some characteristic feature of the prokaryotic cells. If we see the diagram of prokaryotic cells, diagram is very simple. Single cell structure is there. The centrally placed nucleoid is centrally placed, and its membrane is folded inside at some places. That is known as mesosomes, and mesosome work as a mitochondria. It rich in the respiratory enzymes, because mitochondria contain respiratory enzymes, and that functions do by this mesosome. That's why it is known as mitochondria inside the prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic cells में mesosome होता है, उसके अंदर respiratory enzyme होते हैं, इसलिए इसको as a mitochondria कह सकते हैं, परंतु true mitochondria यहाँ पे नहीं होती है. 70s टाइप ऑफ राइबोसोम यहाँ पे होते हैं. 70s टाइप के राइबोसोम फ्लैजिला प्रेजेंट है, तो उसमें 9+2 अरेंजमेंट नहीं होता है. फ्लैजिला हो सकती है, सीडिया भी हो सकती है, परंतु 9+2 अरेंजमेंट इनमें नहीं होता है. दिस इज द सिंपल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स. इफ वी सी द डिफरेंस between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells, what are the difference? Now see the difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. These characteristic feature of the prokaryotic cells, prokaryotes, and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes. First of all, that example, the mycoplasma, bacteria, and blue-green algae, and example that plants, fungi, animals. All the organisms included, except these three, mycoplasma, bacteria, and blue-green algae, all are included in the eukaryotic cells. Then small in size, it is large in size. Membrane bounded nucleus absent, well defined nucleus present. Well defined nucleus present in eukaryotic cells, well defined nucleus present. Then nucleus called nucleoid. Here nucleus called nucleus. Called nucleus. Then membrane bounded cell organelles absent. Membrane bounded cell organelles present, like mitochondria, chloroplast, vacuoles, lysosomes, Golgi complex, peroxisome. These are present in the eukaryotic cells. All these are present in the eukaryotic cells. The next difference is of 70S type of ribosome present, but in eukaryotes 80S type of ribosome present. Chromosome equal to 1, but in eukaryote chromosome more than 1. More than 1. हमेशा एक से ज्यादा क्रोमोसोम होता है, सिंगल नहीं होता. Cell wall made from peptidoglycan and cell wall made from cellulose, hemicellulose and peptic substance. So these are the difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Difference, I revise these difference. The mainly example of prokaryotic cells, that is mycoplasma, bacteria and blue-green algae. Other than mycoplasma, bacteria and blue-green algae, all are included in eukaryotic cells. Normally, the prokaryotic cells are small in size, but the eukaryotic cells are large in size. Then, membrane-bounded nucleus absent in prokaryotic cells, but in eukaryotic cells, well-defined nucleus present or membrane-bounded nucleus present in eukaryotic cells. Nucleus of the prokaryotic cells, that is called nucleoid. Prokaryotic cells के nucleus को क्या कहते हैं? Nucleoid कहते हैं, जबकि eukaryotic cells के nucleus को nucleus ही कहते हैं. The cells of eukaryotic, that is called nucleus. Then membrane-bounded cell organelles absent, or maximum membrane-bounded cell organelles absent in the prokaryotic cells, but maximum membrane-bounded cell organelles present in the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cell में सारे membrane-bounded cell organelles जो होते हैं वो present होते हैं, just like chloroplast, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, lysosome. These are present in eukaryotic cells, but these are absent in the prokaryotic cells. Then 70S type of ribosome present in the prokaryotic cells, but in eukaryotic cells, that is 80S type of ribosome is there. Then chromosome is equivalent to 1. Chromosome एक ही होता है prokaryotic cells में, जबकि eukaryotic cells में chromosome हमेशा एक से ज़्यादा होता है, more than 1, एक से ज़्यादा होता है eukaryotic cells में. Then cell wall is made up from peptidoglycan. म्यूरेमिक एसिड और म्यूरिक एसिड की बनी होती है सेल वॉल, या उसको अपन कह सकते हैं पेप्टिडोग्लाइकेन की सेल वॉल होती है इसमें प्रोकैरियोटिक सेल्स में, जबकि यूकैरियोटिक सेल के अंदर सेल वॉल किसकी होती है? दैट इज मेड फ्रॉम सेल्यूलोज, हेमीसेल्यूलोज, पेप्टिक सब्सटेंस, इनकी सेल वॉल होती है यूकैरियोटिक सेल में, सेल्यूलोज, हेमीसेल्यूलोज और पेप्टिक सब्सटेंस की. Then if flagella is there, prokaryotic cells में flagella नहीं होते हैं. अगर flagella है तो वहाँ पर 9+2 अरेंजमेंट नहीं होता है. prokaryotic cell में 9+2 अरेंजमेंट नहीं होता है. अगर flagella है तो eukaryotic cells के अंदर 9+2 अरेंजमेंट होता है. 9+2 अरेंजमेंट क्या होता है? Just like this is the thread-like structure is known as flagella. This thread-like structure that is known as flagella. If you take transverse section of the flagella, in transverse section, 9 filaments seen in periphery, 9 filaments seen in periphery, and 2 filament at the center, 2 at the center and 9 at the periphery. That is known as 9+2 arrangement. 9+2 arrangement, which is absent in the prokaryotic cells. 9+2 arrangement as is present in the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells में 9+2 present होता है, जबकि prokaryotic cells में 9+2 absent होता है. So today we studied these different type of cells. One is about the prokaryotic cells and the difference between prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Now, if you're having any doubts, any problems, you can ask.